the dark side's light and the vampires roll. You stretch your rest away and your suicide cold, and a cross from a faith that died before Jesus came. You're building a mystery. You live in a church where you sleep with voodoo dolls, and you won't give up the search for the ghosts in the halls. You wear sandals in the snow and a smile that won't wash away. Can you look out the window without your shadow getting in the way? You're so beautiful with an edge and a charm, yet so careful when I'm in your arms. 'Cause you're working, building a mystery, holding on and holding it in. Yeah, you're working, building a mystery, and choosing so carefully. You woke up screaming aloud, a prayer from your secret God. You feed off our fears and hold back your tears. Oh, give us a tantrum and a know-it-all grin, just when we need one when the evening's thin. You're a beautiful fucked up man. You're setting up your razor wire shrine.